Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be preparing spicy beef fajita. It's a really simple recipe and it's really quick to prepare. It will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients are half kg boneless boiled beef. You will boil it in half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. And you will take half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon crushed red chili, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and also 2 teaspoon ginger garlic and green chili paste. 3 teaspoon lemon juice, 3 teaspoon tomato ketchup. And you will take 3 bell peppers, 3 colors green, red and yellow, and also 1 sliced onion. Now you will add the lemon juice to the beef. And also the ginger, garlic and green chili paste, and you will mix well. Now you will cover the beef and keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. You will preheat a pan and you will add 2 tablespoon oil. And then you will add the beef you kept in the refrigerator 30 minutes ago. Now you will fry the beef. As you can see, the color of the beef has been changed slightly, so you will add the bell peppers and the onion. Then you will add the salt, crushed red chili and black pepper powder, and also the ketchup. And now you will mix and cook well. And now, as simple as that, the beef fajita is ready. And you can serve the beef fajita with some rice. And as always, I hope you guys will enjoy the recipe and like it when you make it at your home. And make sure to follow us on Facebook. The link will be in the description below. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment on the video, share the video and the channel. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon after hitting the subscribe button so you will not miss any notification of the new videos. And take care. Allah Hafiz.